Hello, everybody. Stu Weinstock here from beautiful Miami, Florida. I'm a ketogenic lifestyle coach and school psychologist here to help you, encourage you, support you, inspire you to great successes on your ketogenic lifestyle and diet. And today we're going to speak about a subject that is very essential for most folks. And have you ever heard of the expression, give me a break, or take a break? Well, sometimes when keto gets overwhelming and we kind of feel that we are doing things in terms of it being a burden rather than a support to our life, sometimes we need to take a break. Don't be too hard on yourself with your ketogenic lifestyle and diet. Do the best you can. Take mental breaks when they are needed, and they do come up from time to time, especially if we all need breaks when we do anything that is sustained in nature, like taking care of the kids, taking care of the family, taking care of the gardening, taking care of the diet. Any sustained habit or occupation we have, we do need to take breaks. And with the keto diet and lifestyle, it is apparent that it's necessary. The ketogenic lifestyle can be very transformative, providing a pathway to better health, weight management, and increased energy. Whether you're already following the ketogenic diet and lifestyle or just considering it, one thing is certain. It's a commitment. The diet demands careful planning, discipline, and consistency, and it is a lifestyle as we do sustain it from week to week and month to month. But just like any commitment in life, it's crucial to remember one thing. Give yourself permission to take breaks when needed. Life is very unpredictable, and there will be days when sticking to your strict keto regimen feels overwhelming. Maybe you've had a long week at work, family responsibilities are piling up, or you're feeling drained from the constant focus of carb intake and tracking them and making keto-friendly meals. In these moments, taking a mental break is essential for long-term success on your keto journey. Now, why does mental breaks really matter? Well, stress can be the downfall of any diet or lifestyle. When you're too hard on yourself and push through without rest, it leads to burnout. You may start to view the ketogenic lifestyle as a chore rather than something you enjoy and that benefits your health. Mental breaks allow you to recharge, refocus, and return to your goals with a clearer, more positive mindset. When you take a break, it doesn't mean you're quitting. In fact, it can be a tool for sustainability. Taking mental breaks can help prevent feelings of restriction, which can often lead to cheat days turning into weeks of poor choices. Allow yourself a breather so you can maintain that balance without guilt or frustration. Now, you might ask, what does taking a mental break really mean? Well, taking a break doesn't have to mean indulging in carbs or stepping away from your ketogenic plan entirely. Here are some ways to integrate mental breaks into your routine while still staying on track. Number 1, rest days from meal prep. Skip the elaborate keto recipes for a day and opt for something simple like eggs and bacon or a keto-friendly salad that's easy to prepare. The key is to reduce the pressure of planning, cooking, and prepping meals. Number 2, mindful indulgence. If you're feeling mentally exhausted from always saying no to certain foods, find a keto-friendly treat that feels like a splurge, such as a piece of dark chocolate or a homemade keto dessert. This allows you to feel like you're enjoying something special without compromising your goals. Number 3, physical activity. Sometimes the best mental break is physical activity. Go for a brisk walk, stretch, or do some light yoga or Pilates. Moving your body in a relaxing way can help release stress and clear your mind. Number 4, disconnect. Spend a day away from tracking apps, social media, and other tools that you usually rely on to monitor your progress. While these are helpful for accountability, sometimes they can feel overwhelming to us. Taking a break from constantly checking on your progress can give you some peace of mind. Now, let's speak about embracing imperfection. No one is perfect, and that includes those in the ketogenic diet and lifestyle. Life will throw you challenges at times, and there will be days when you stray from your plan. It's important to embrace imperfection and understand that consistency over time is more important than perfection in the short term. Taking breaks doesn't mean you've failed. It means you're giving yourself the grace to make this lifestyle that's sustainable for the long haul. Okay, so let me talk to you now about my final thoughts and conclusion. Whether you're new to keto or have been following the lifestyle for years, it's essential to be kind to yourself. The ketogenic diet is a tool for health and wellness, not a punishment. Taking mental breaks when needed is a way to ensure that you don't burn out and that your journey remains a positive and rewarding experience. Remember, balance and self-care are key to long-term success. So take the break when you need it and come back stronger and more focused than ever. And there you are. I hope you found this discussion helpful. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below this video. I would be truly honored if you chose to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And thank you so much for doing that. Again, this is Stu Weinstock from beautiful Miami, Florida. We'll speak again with you tomorrow. Take good care now. Bye-bye.